No? Don't want it?
Wawa.
Bigger.
Higa kayo.
It's too small.
Ayaw.
Wait, let's lay down.
So it means it's only for Adela.
I know the dada.
Side view. Up, nahulog.
Okay.
Ayun na.
Just don't push my head.
Ano mo yung kampa mo, be? Slant kayo.
What's that?
Yay!
Scared. Up. Up.
She had fun, be?
Yo, let's go.
Dali!
Bring it up now. Wait, a second. Wait, hold my phone.
Try without the ball. Give me the ball. Okay, the ball now try.
Ate, Day, dito ka.
By herself?
No, with you.
Stairs are better.
Baka mabitaw mo, ah.
Don't let go of her. It's so
Ready?
Put it in your lap, Lily.
Set. Go! Wow. Oy.
So boring.
Oh.
Lily, hurry.
Wow. The baby, oh. Dun, sa labas, be. Labas tayo.
Bye-bye. Let's go here. We were just here about 2 seconds. It's amazing.
Looking.
Here, be. Ride mo siya sa kan... ano. Yay! Wow.
I'll tell you when. You can go. Okay, go. Adela's turn. Bye-bye.
Dala! Oh, where are you? Dala! She's having a hard time there. Going up. Oh,
Down. Down.
going down?
Bye-bye. Let's go here.
Oh!
Tiring.
Tired? She's